of the Huan San 629 to 645 century. Now we are discussing of this point. The first point are the Chinese traveler Huan San visit the India during the Harsha season. Means what? In Harsha season, the Chinese traveler Huan San visited in India and studies Buddhism at Nalanda for 5 years. Means what? He studies the Buddhism related in Nalanda University for 5 years. The second point is Huan San has noted that means what? The Huan San has noted these all points. Means what? The points are there were 100 Buddhism mathas in Harsha's region. Means in Harsha's region there are 100 Buddhist mathas. The second point, people live a simple, pious and peaceful life. Means that time the people are in a simple living life, pious and peaceful life. Their life based on living by rule of God, moral conduct and justice. Means what? Means what? Their life based on living by rule of God and conducted and justice, etc. Cheating and breach of promise were considered sinful. Means what? That the people are to be cheating or breach of the promise are being considered as a sinful. Now you are understand of the Huan San small topic. Today we are discussing of that. I hope you all understand. Thank you so much. Now he is discussing now today second state, Vatapi. When the king Harsh was ruling over his empire in the North India. Means what? The king Harsha was ruling over the empire of North India, and the king Pulkes II was ruling in South India. Means the Harsh was ruling over the North India, and Pulkes II was the ruling in South India. He had earlier defied the Harsh. Already he had defeated the Harsh. Now the second main point is route to the throne. Route to the throne means the king of Chalukyas, means Solanki's dynasty, established a vast empire in South India, which they ruled from the capital of the Vatapi. Means what? The king of Chalukya established the vast empire in South India, which they ruled from their capital at Vatapi. Means Badami, Karnataka. Pulkes I, a great king of the Chalukya dynasty. Pulkes I, a great king of the Chalukya dynasty, performed the Aswamedh Yagna. Means he performed the Aswamedh Yagna at Chalukya dynasty. His flag had the symbol of the Varhavata. His flag had a symbol of the Varhavata. His son Kirtivarman ascended to his throne. After him, he was succeeded by his brother. Means Kirtivarman sustained the throne. After him, he was succeeded by his brother Manglesh, who built the grand Vishnu temple at Vatapi. Means his brother Manglesh established the Vishnu temple in Vatapi. After him, the rightful Pulkes II became the king and ruled over the empire about 30 years. Means what? The returned Pulkes II became the king and ruled the empire about the 30 years. So now the end of the rule of the throne. The second point is Pulkes II. Pulkes II was a violent king who won the many battles. Means he is a very violent king and he won the many battles. His first victory was over at South Gujarat, followed by his win over Gurjars and North Gujarat. He gained control over the Vangi region that they lay between the river Krishna and Godavari. Means what? He gained the control over the Vangi region between the river Krishna and Godavari. Also acquired the Andhra Pradesh. He transformed the capital Vatapi into city the magnificent and the splendorous. Means what? He transformed the capital city. Means he transferred his capital city Vatapi into the city of magnificence and splendorous. fought a great battle near river Narmada. The armies of Harshvardhan and the Turkish second fought a great battle near river Narmada, in which the former was defeated. He halted Harsh's expansion towards the South India, and so the empire of the Kannauj could not extend beyond the Narmada. Means what? He halted the Harsh expansion and towards the South India, and so the empire of Kannauj could not extend. मतलब वो extend नहीं किया था beyond the नर्मदा से आगे. Pulkit II was not only the great warrior but also lover of arts. He is also the lover of the arts. The cave of the Vattapis and Dharapuri were built during his reign. His reign to build the Vattapis and Dharapuri also. The famous cave Muras and Ajanta were also painted at that time. And that time the Muras and Ajanta were also painted at that time. In this travel Huin Sang visit the court of the Pulkit II and give the vivid account of his grandeur. Means Huin Sang visit the court of the Pulkit II and they give the vivid account of his grandeurs. Here the Ajanta's caves picture, you can see this. The king of the Chalukyas dynasty were follower of the Hinduism. Once the king of Chalukyas dynasty were followers of the Hinduism. During this time, Buddhism went into the decline while the Digambar Jain sect the Jain popularity. At that time, during the time Buddhism went into decline. Decline means what? While the Digambar Jain sect and the Jain the popularity. Harshvardhan and Pulkit II were contemporary rulers. At that time, Harshvardhan and Pulkit II were the contemporary rulers. However, the Harsh fought fewer the battle as compared to Pulkit. At that time, they are comparing of the Harsh fierce battle of the compared the Pulkit of that. Who continue wagon wars? He finally met his end of the 642 century in a conflict with the Pallav kings. At that time, they finally meet the end of the 642 century in the conflict with the Pallav king of the Kanchipuram. 642 in the conflict with the Pallav king of the Kanchipuram. The king Harshvardhan died after 5 years after him. That time the king Harshvardhan died 5 years after him. I hope you understand of this chapter. Today, first chapter to be end. I hope you all are understand. Thank you so much.